Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 date and time not updating. First method is right-click taskbar, click adjust date and time. Turn on set time zone automatically. Click set date time and regional formatting. Click additional date time and regional settings. Click date and time. Click Internet Time tab. Click Change Settings. Check Synchronize with an Internet Time server. Select any alternate server. Click Update Now, click OK. Click OK. Second method is, type services in Windows search bar. Click Services. Open Windows Time Service. Change Startup type to Automatic. Stop and start the service. Click Apply, OK. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.